Hello friends, today I'd like to show you my beautiful jalapeno plants. We love hot food in this household, so we grow jalapenos in our garden. Jalapenos are a cultivar of Capsicum Annuum. They belong to the Solanaceae family. They're an annual plant and they are ruled, because they're so hot, by Jalapenos were first grown in Jalapa, the city of Veracruz in Mexico. That is where they get their name from. They're extremely nutritious, rich in many vitamins and minerals, such as potassium, vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin K, and vitamin C. They have a lot of vitamin C, even more than oranges do. They're a low-acid food, and the state of Texas adopted jalapeno as their state pepper. Jalapenos probably have around 2,500 to 8,000 Scoville heat units. All Capsicum Annuum plants are thermogenic. They stimulate the burning of fat. By increasing the metabolism of the body's adipose tissue, they reduce fat levels in the blood. They clear the sinuses. They're wonderful for upper sinus congestion. My favorite cold and flu remedy, home remedy, is definitely ginger, cayenne, and lemon. A hot tea made with ginger, cayenne, and lemon tastes extremely delicious, and it really helps ease a sore throat or a stuffy head, or bring a fever down as well. Jalapenos are rubefacient, which means they increase peripheral circulation. They bring blood to the surface of the skin when applied topically, which is really helpful to relieve pain. A lot of arthritis creams are made with capsicum peppers. They're warming and they improve circulation. They're wonderful for the winter months to keep you warm. Here I'm making some lactofermented jalapenos with my jalapenos using just salt and water, and they'll ferment in a couple of days and you'll have some delicious jalapeno pickles for the winter. Jalapenos, or all capsicums, reduce internal or external bleeding, and they're extremely heroic. I agree, but I'm Indian and I love spicy stuff. So here is one heroic medicine that I cannot let go of. I'm crazy about cayenne, jalapeno, habanero, you name it. Any of the cultivars of Capsicum Annuum is my favorite. I hope you will be inspired to make your own pico de gallo or lactofermented ferment using these peppers, or grow them in your garden. Thank you. Have a great day.